If you're a radiologist, a pathologist, or a dermatologist, this is the episode that matters most to your specialty, most likely. When we talk about AI beating humans at spotting breast cancer on mammograms or identifying melanoma on dermoscopy, we're almost exclusively talking about convolutional neural networks, or CNNs. But how does a computer actually see? It doesn't have eyes, it sees a grid of numbers, pixel values. The challenge is, how do you turn a grid of 5 million numbers into a diagnosis of pneumonia? So the old way was to feed every single pixel in a neural network. That failed because it lost the spatial context. It didn't understand that a pixel next to another pixel forms a specific shape. The CNN solves this by using a process called convolution. Imagine a small square window like a magnifying glass, sliding across the patient's X-ray from top left to bottom right. This window is the filter. It isn't looking at the whole picture, it's looking for one specific thing. Maybe it's looking for a vertical edge, maybe it's looking for a curve. As the filter slides across the image, it creates a map of where it found those different types of edges. Then the network does this again in the next layer, but it combines the findings. It says, okay, I found a vertical edge here and a horizontal edge there. This makes a corner. Deeper into the network, these layers become more abstract. It goes from seeing edges to seeing things like textures, like ground glass opacity, to seeing shapes, like a nodule, until the final layer sees the overall object, a malignant tumour. A key concept here is pooling. Between these layers, the network deliberately blurs the image to shrink the data. This makes the AI spatially invariant. It means it can recognise a fracture, whether it's in the top corner or the centre of an image. It cares about the feature, not the location of that feature. So what's the so what for your practice? First, CNNs are the most mature AI technology in healthcare. They're already FDA approved for things like stroke detection and fracture triage. However, you need to know their weaknesses. They can be brittle. Because they look at texture and shape mathematically, they can be fooled by noise that human eyes ignore. A slightly different X-ray machine or a patient moving slightly can sometimes throw off the prediction. This is why generalization, testing an AI on data from different hospitals, is critical before you trust any new tool. A CNN is simply a hierarchy of filters. It builds a diagnosis from the ground up. Pixels become edges, edges become shapes, and shapes become pathology. So that's CNNs in a nutshell.